Hello guys and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm explaining to you how to bypass Windows 11 lock screen password. So guys, in order to start, you need to firstly boot up your laptop or in recovery mode, laptop or PC, and then press F11 repeatedly after the power button. So when it just loads up a bit, alright, just starts up the system and goes into BIOS, you just start pressing F11. Then you go to this kind of window, the blue window, you go to troubleshoot. From there, advanced options, command prompt, and then you're just looking to insert this command here, right? This one. So do these one after the other. C, CD, this, so one after the other, yeah? Then just continue. And then guys, when your computer restarts, you need to click on the accessibility button. So let me just search that for you. So Windows. So this is what it will look like. This one right over here. And then you will have a button that will be able to open the command prompt window when you're logged out. So you're logged out in the screen, but you will be able to use a command prompt here, which is life-saving. And then you just control user passwords too. Then you will have this user accounts window open up, and then just insert your new password, and you're good to go. No need to reinstall your Windows. Enjoy. If this helped, subscribe.